We'll be going over gold miners, ticker symbol GDXJ. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We have dipped into negative MACD, and we have broken below the 200 moving average, this green line, which will act as our temporary resistance, currently at the price of $50.74. As we extend out to the 4-hour chart, we still remain in positive MACD, but we're seeing signs of a diverge there. As we extend out to the daily chart, we remain in negative MACD, seeing signs of a converge there, and we have closed below the 200 moving average, this green line, which will act as our continuing resistance, which is at the price of $52.48. As for the trade idea of the week, my position size is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $48.83, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $56.28, and my stop loss is at $45.77. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $57.11, and that is this range here. My sell target for it is at $52.14, and my stop loss is at $58.01. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 40% chance for gold miners to climb between 0 to 8%, and another 40% chance to climb between 8 to 16%, and to the downside a 20% chance to fall between 0 to negative 8%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.